Hello, everyone. This is SBert here on Castle. Now we need to go in here and talk to her, our third victim. Oh, I went and poke at the desk though. I want to answer the phone. Oh, I got a key card. I stole the key card. She's still not able to talk. I'll let you know as soon as she's cleared for visitors. I want her cleared now. I'm gonna sneak in here while you stand there and don't notice me. A bore scope. Okay. Liver. Core. Can I go now? Can I change the channel? Let me change the channel. No. Victim. Back. Okay. Let's see. Does it say I have anything here? Nope. I'm actually done here at the hospital. We'll go back to the church for a little bit. Hey, dude. Hope she's okay too. Yeah. Nope. I don't have anything for that yet. Let's go check it out in here. Hey, I got some water. Let me have that. Stuck in his mouth. Lever. Nope. Lever it out. Ah, fine. It's missing his eyes. Okay, so I gotta get eyes. Ooh, I'm gonna rip this stuff apart, right? Oh, it's already been ripped apart. Probably means I'm gonna have to fix it. They break things and they always make me fix them. Like that. That's busted too. Let's see here. Check out the death. I don't have that. Okay. Go upstairs. Maybe it was just the water I needed. Anything else? Nope, I'm actually done. So, we've searched the perimeter and there's no sign of Turner. Thank you! Well, no, that's bad. You're not doing your job, dude. Fight him. Truck is locked. I have a lever. Okay, cement blocks. I want the keys. Thank you. Have to be softened. Start. I got a cup of water. Get it out. Ew. Carting all this wet cement. Full of rubble. Lever's missing. Probably need the key now. Oh, you dumped it there. Queen protractor. Oh, there's a protractor. Wait, isn't that a protractor? No, protractor's this one. That's like a compass. I want to say flashlight, trowel, CD, oiler, pulley, thorium blaster. Got some X-Men, Star Trek things going on here. Thorium. I don't know if there's one actually. I don't think there's one called thoriums though. There's the Bajorans. Electrical tape, C-clamp, sunglasses, hand drill. Queen. Where's my trowel? Trowel! Don't hide from me. A pulley. Pulley. I see ropes. Pulley. That's not a pulley. I guess I got this. What am I gonna do it for? A C-clamp. What am I gonna unscrew? Nope. Thorium blaster. What else can I interact with? There's something. Aha! There we go. What's in there? There's a C-clamp. What else can I... I should be able to interact with a few other things. I've got some yellows. There's sunglasses. Now electrical tape. Book. Bucket. we'll look at the other things and find them. Hand drill. Do I need flashlight? Flashlight. Hand drill. I'm looking. Cup thingy. Is that a hand drill? Okay. Now we need the pulley and the darn electrical tape. And I'm not seeing my thing interact with anything. For the tape. Where is my tape? Sure that's not... Where's my pulley at? Is that the pulley? There it is. Electrical tape. Where are you hiding at? Do not hide from me. I am your master. I don't see it interacting with anything. What am I missing? What am I missing? I've been over that. Oh, look, it can be white arrow there, but it's only certain. Did anyone else see it turn into an hand? Because I did not. Oh yeah, so wonderful. I needed something to chip this out. I need a button now. You even break the buttons off. Who would think to break a button off a thing? Use the quarter. Here's some cards. Well, a card, I guess. I really just grab up some fish food. Is this like a puzzle? Puzzly. Not that. Oh, I see here. A few more missing. Where'd they go? Fish food. See here. Found the glass cutter. What glass did we need to cut though? Let's see here. Cards. Another bag. Open. Okay, let's go open the truck now. Oh, what puzzle is this? Okay, can't do that yet. Put this on here. Just need one more there. Glass cutter doesn't work on there. That not puncture. Sealed shut. Let's see here. That's not gonna work there. It's not glass. Okay. Do we get everything here? No, we're still working. What else am I missing? Cut the fish bowl. I don't think people want that though. Okay, so that there. I can't do that there. Nope, I can't get in the front seat. That's what I wanted to do. I don't have a way to connect those. Break it. It's gonna actually make me find an actual zipper. I can't just cut that open. What? What else is in here? Glass cutter. Borescope. Food. Okay. Where do you want me to go? Not here. Oh, sledgehammer. So let's go get card out of there. They'll probably let us into the... Oh, it's a playing card. I thought it was maybe a key card. Oh, great. What puzzle is this? Arrange the cards so that every row and column has one and only one card of each suit and each rank. Click any two cards to swap their position. Okay. Each suit and each rank. Diamond. Let's see, that would be good. Diamond. No. You need to go there. Each suit, each rank. So they don't have to be in order. We just have to have one of each. That means we swap diamond, swap there. Okay, so it's a long way. No, wait. We're doing it up and down too. So we need a queen and an ace. We need queen of you there. So I need, this row is done. So queen, we have two queens here, so that's gonna mess us up. Queen, queen, jack, king. Can't have two queens. So that should keep it the same. Queen, I need a, not that queen. I've got a queen. That's got a queen. So this queen has to go over here. Let's see, king. Yeah, I've got two spades. That's gonna be a problem. So it works that way. It will not work that way. And then I need to swap heart with you. Like, right, diamond, club, queen. That puts me needing the spade in this corner. Let's see here. Let me get them kind of figured out here. I need queen, jack, a jack there. Well, they're all good that way. I just need to get them up and down now. Jack, jack. Jack, jack, jack. Jack's on different one. Queen, 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 queen. King, 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 king. So they're just suit wise now. So, because there's no, they each have one of each in each row. Suit wise, this row is good. Wait, I gotta go up and down. Okay, so I have two queens here. I need a spade. Spade. Do it that way. There. Okay, so these two rows. We need to swap the. Oh, I'm good each way though. What am I? There we go. All's good. Got a bunch of photos. There's some photos of Samuel Myers. Looks like someone had a secret admirer. Mm-hmm. Go down here. Hey! Stop right there. It's Detective Kate Bennett with the NYPD. Step away from that door. Turner? Okay, well, we're going to end it here. I'll see y'all next time, and if you're enjoying, please like and subscribe, okay? I hope you're enjoying this. I am. Okay, see you next time. Bye.